My name is Jeff, and I'm here with some homeowners of ours. We got the backyard finished and complete. We have Aiden, the son, and Align, the dad, here. We're going to do a little quick little interview, but they wanted to share their experience that they had with splash pools. So Aiden, the big, how old are you again?
11
years old. So why don't you start and tell us what you think about having a pool?
I think having a pool is really cool. There are lots of fun stuff to do. Like we have a basketball set up here and we play basketball. I like jumping in here. I like wrestling with my dad sometimes. It's really fun having people coming over and, just hanging out around the pool. I really like it. I think it's a good experience to have.
Great. Well, thank you. That's awesome.
My favorite part is the jacuzzi, of course. Everyone told me you'll never use the jacuzzi once you have it. If I'm home, if I'm not traveling for work, I'm in there every day at night.
So this is the pool that we're talking about. It's got a nice big reef area with some fancy tile in there, which looks beautiful. And this is a really fun pool because they get to play a lot of basketball with the kids. Got a raised spa, some raised bond beams, some little lion heads there, and some spillways, a couple step ups. But look at this yard, how fun it is. They got a playhouse for the kids, jungle gym, avocado trees, mom and dad's house in the back, shed, and they put the equipment in the shed. How smart is that? Wow. And they have an orchard over here. So pretty blessed if you ask me. This is a very unique piece of property.
So our special needs son, Alec, he's 27 years old. And the reason why we started this project was to have him, for him to have an activity to do during the day.
Entertain.
Exactly. And he loves to be in the water there with us. And it's a form of a therapy, because he's 27, but mentally he's a lot younger, right? And so it's a form of therapy for him, and definitely enjoy it. My parents live in the guest home back here, and they come and join us as well. So it's just it's a lot of fun.
Family fun.
Absolutely. We're river rats, so when we're not at the river, we're at the pool, and we just love being in the water.
Oh, that's great. Perfect.
Wish we could have done this a lot sooner. So I just wanted to say the process of getting this project finished. Well, at first I didn't believe Scott. He told me 12 weeks, 14 weeks. And there was a delay, but it wasn't his fault. It was the county. It was a county issue. But in construction, they always tell you 3 months, and it's 9 months. So we were really happy that the pool was actually completed within, I think it was 14 weeks, if I remember correctly. And there's no surprises. Very easy to work with Scott again. He was very involved throughout the whole process, helping us pick out the color, very flexible. And so we thought it was going to be a nightmare. We've heard some horrible stories, and that was not the case. It went pretty smooth. We were very impressed and surprised.
Good. And you guys have been using it a lot.
That's right. Good investment.
So thank you guys. I really appreciate you letting me do a quick little interview. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.